We supply a wide range of high-strength carbon steel high-yield products designed to meet the most demanding requirements of our key clients for various applications, such as oil refineries, power plants, petrochemical facilities, and hydrocarbon and natural gas transportation systems. Our product portfolio includes line flanges, weld neck, line, slip-on, lap joint, socket weld, and threaded types. We specialize in diameters ranging from 16-inch to 72, with pressure classes from 150 to 2500, in ASTM A694 grades from F42 to F70, complying with ASME B16.5, ASME B16.47 Series A, API 605 Serie B, or MSS, SP, 44 design standards. Although Class 2500 is not included in the mentioned design standards for diameters of 16-inch and above, we can manufacture it based on customer-supplied drawings. Welded fittings, including elbows, reducers, T's, and caps, with a focus on diameters from 16-inch to 72, covering schedules from SCH STD to SCH XXS. These are manufactured in high-strength carbon steel high-yield ASTM A860 and MSS SP 75 in grades WPHY 42 to WPHY 70, in accordance with MSS SP 75. ASME B16.9 design standards. We offer immediate availability in various diameter and thickness combinations, adapting to the specific needs of each project. Backed by recognized and approved manufacturers, we ensure the highest quality standards for our products. We fully comply with the approved manufacturers list when required for specific projects. At Teknacorp, your project is our priority. We provide tailored solutions backed by our extensive experience and market expertise.